Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss Norwegian for library visits, finding books and using library resources. Norway, with its rich literary tradition and commitment to education, boasts some of the world's most welcoming and well-stocked libraries. For language learners, expats, or tourists with a keen interest in literature or research, understanding the basics of Norwegian can greatly enhance the experience of visiting a library in Norway. In our discussion today, we will provide a guide to help non native speakers navigate Norwegian libraries, from finding books to using various library resources. Introduction to Norwegian libraries. Norwegian libraries are more than just repositories of books. They are cultural hubs offering access to a wide range of materials like newspapers, journals, digital resources, and so on. Public libraries in Norway are free to use and are often equipped with areas for reading, studying, and accessing computers. Key Norwegian phrases for library visits. Before diving into the nuances of library usage, familiarizing yourself with some key Norwegian phrases can be immensely helpful. Hvor er biblioteket? Hvor er biblioteket? Hvor er biblioteket? Where is the library? Jeg vil gjerne låne en bok. Jeg vil gjerne låne en bok. Jeg vil gjerne låne en bok. I would like to borrow a book. Har du anbefalinger? Har du anbefalinger? Har du anbefalinger? Do you have any recommendation? Hvor kan jeg finne? Hvor kan jeg finne? Hvor kan jeg finne? Where can I find? Når er tilbakeleveringsfristen? Når er tilbakeleveringsfristen? Når er tilbakeleveringsfristen? When is the return deadline? Finding books. In a Norwegian library, books are generally organized according to the Dewey Decimal Classification System, just as in many other parts of the world. To find a book, you may want to ask, Hvor er skjønnlitteraturen? Hvor er skjønnlitteraturen? Hvor er skjønnlitteraturen? Where is the fiction section? Hvor finner jeg bøker om emnet? Hvor finner jeg bøker om emnet? Hvor finner jeg bøker om emnet? Where can I find books about topic? If you're looking for a specific book, knowing its title and author in Norwegian can be helpful. You can ask a librarian, har dere boktittel av forfatter? Har dere boktittel av forfatter? Har dere boktittel av forfatter? Do you have the book title by author? Using computers and other resources. Most Norwegian libraries offer computer and internet access. You might need to ask, kan jeg bruke denne datamaskinen her? Kan jeg bruke denne datamaskinen her? Kan jeg bruke denne datamaskinen her? Can I use this computer here? Hvordan kobler jeg til wifi? Hvordan kobler jeg til wifi? Hvordan kobler jeg til wifi? How do I connect to Wi-Fi? For printing or photocopying services, you can inquire, hvor kan jeg skrive ut dokumentet? Hvor kan jeg skrive ut dokumentet? Hvor kan jeg skrive ut dokumentet? Where can I print documents? Participating in library events. Many Norwegian libraries host events like book readings, lectures, or language cafes, which can be great for language practice or culture immersion. To find out about such events, you could ask, har biblioteket noen arrangementer snart? Har biblioteket noen arrangementer snart? Har biblioteket noen arrangementer snart? Does the library have any events coming up? Library etiquette. Norwegian libraries, like those in many countries, value a quiet and respectful atmosphere. Phrases like unnskyld, hvor er stillerommet? Unnskyld, hvor er stillerommet? Unnskyld, hvor er stillerommet? Excuse me, where is the quiet room? Show consideration for library norms. Visiting a library in Norway can be a delightful and enriching experience, especially when armed with some basic Norwegian language skills. Not only do libraries offer a wealth of resources, but they also provide a unique window into Norwegian culture and society. By learning key phrases and understanding the basic layout and services of Norwegian libraries, visitors can fully enjoy and make the most out of the library visits in Norway. Happy reading! Do you want to learn more Norwegian in Norwegian classes? We are now offering Norwegian courses at all levels. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. We are offering classes in classroom in Oslo or online. So if you're interested in our Norwegian classes, you can go to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. We now have a referral program. So if you refer a friend and that starts to learn Norwegian, you will get US dollar 150, and your friend will also get a reduction in the student fee of US dollar 100. So this is a win-win situation. You can, if you're interested in the referral program, you can go to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You'll get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, early access to new content, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.